If you are over 40 and simply drinking your morning coffee black, you are completely wasting its potential. You are missing out on the specific compound that targets arterial stiffness, dropping your testosterone potential and leaving your performance on the table. To actually unlock the raw, blood-pumping power of your morning brew, you have to mix it with one specific, heavily overlooked ingredient. A combination so potent, it acts like a natural nitric oxide button for your circulatory system. But if you take it at the wrong time, or make the number one mistake most men commit, you destroy the active compounds completely. So what is this hidden ingredient, and how do you mix it to see a difference in your energy and vitality by tomorrow morning? As a man crosses 40, his arteries naturally begin to lose their elasticity. They get stiffer, tighter, and less responsive. While caffeine in coffee is a powerful central nervous system stimulant, on its own, it is a natural vasoconstrictor, meaning it actually narrows your blood vessels temporarily, restricting blood flow to your brain, your heart, and the specific areas responsible for your bedroom performance. High-quality organic coffee is packed with polyphenols and chlorogenic acids. In clinical settings, these compounds are proven to support heart health, but their vascular delivery is severely limited when caffeine forces your arterial walls to clamp down. That is where our secret catalyst comes in. To unlock the full vascular benefits, you need to mix your hot coffee with organic raw cacao powder. When you blend raw cacao into your coffee, a chemical reaction occurs between the caffeine and a compound in cacao called theobromine. While caffeine is a vasoconstrictor, theobromine is a powerful direct vasodilator. When they mix, they form a highly bioavailable powerhouse. While the caffeine drives your focus and energy up, the theobromine actively overrides the constriction, forcing your blood vessels to dilate and stay relaxed. It is a dual-action trigger. One stimulates your physical drive, while the other wide opens the floodgates for unrestricted blood flow. To get a noticeable boost in your energy, stamina, and morning vitality, you need to prepare this correctly and take it at the optimal time. Brew 1 cup of high-quality organic black coffee. Let it cool slightly for 2 minutes. Pouring boiling water directly onto raw cacao can degrade some of its heat-sensitive antioxidants. Add exactly 1 tablespoon of pure, raw, non-alkalized cacao powder directly into the warm coffee. Do not use processed baking cocoa. Add half a teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil. Cacao's active compounds are highly fat-soluble, and this clean lipid carrier drastically speeds up absorption in your digestive tract. Blend or stir vigorously. For the absolute best results, consume this mixture on an empty stomach first thing in the morning or exactly 45 minutes before physical activity. Taking it on an empty stomach ensures rapid absorption directly into your bloodstream without digestive interference. If you do this consistently for just 7 days, your circulatory system adapts, your baseline nitric oxide levels stabilize, and you will notice a distinct difference in your physical responsiveness, mental clarity, and daily energy. However, millions of men try this combination every day and get absolutely zero results because they fall into 2 massive silent traps. They use highly processed chocolate syrups or commercial cocoa powders. The moment cocoa is processed using alkali, a method called Dutch processing, you kill the active flavonols. This chemical processing destroys up to 90% of the active theobromine and oxidizes the fragile compounds, turning a potent health elixir into generic dead sugars and empty calories. The second mistake is adding heavy dairy milk or processed creamers. The proteins in dairy, specifically casein, bind directly to the vascular-boosting monomeric flavonols in cacao. This molecular binding prevents your gut from absorbing them, rendering the blood flow benefits completely useless. You must use pure, raw, non-alkalized cacao powder and keep it dairy-free. But even if you have the perfect ingredients, getting the timing wrong will ruin your results. If you drink this mixture right after a heavy, carb-loaded breakfast, your digestion slows to a crawl, the active antioxidants oxidize in your stomach, and you miss the performance window entirely. If you found this breakdown valuable and want to take control of your performance after 40, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video right now so you never miss our factual guides. And if you have a brother, a friend, or a partner who is struggling with their morning stamina or daytime fatigue, share this video with them right now. You might just help save their vascular health. I want to hear from you. Drop your age in the comments below and tell me if you have ever used raw cacao in your coffee or if you've ever even heard of this specific mixture.